Greetings, YouTube fam. Get ready to dive into an exhilarating world of Photoshop PixelFie magic. Whether you're a seasoned subscriber or a brand new viewer, today's video is going to take you on an unforgettable journey. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your signature digital with Photoshop. Alright, so let's get started. First, sign in a white piece of paper and take a photo or scan if possible. Go to Channels. Select the red channel because it has the highest contrast between the signature and the paper. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Curves. Hold the Alt key or the Option key on the keyboard, and take the slider on the right to the left to the point where the details around the signature go away. Similarly, hold the Alt key or the Option key, and take the slider on the left to the right, just to the point where you begin to see these black artifacts. Hit OK. Hold the Control or Command, and click on the thumbnail of the red channel. This selects the white areas. Press Ctrl or Command Shift I to invert the selection. Get back to Layers. You don't need this anymore, so turn it off, and create a solid color adjustment layer with whatever color you wish. And here you have your digital signature on a transparent background. You can save it as a PNG. If you wish, let's try to put the signature on the sample ID. And the great part is you can change the color of the signature to whatever you wish. If you found this video helpful and want more captivating Photoshop tutorials, show us some love, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Your support drives our creativity. Thanks for watching.